Good day to you everyone. By the way, my name is Muhammad Faid Manalundong and I'm here to discuss our assignment. So, the problem is there are two cylinders A and B are connected by a piston of two different diameters as shown in the figure. So, the cylinder B, it contains a gas and the cylinder A contains oil pump to a pressure of 300 TPA by a hydraulic pump. So the mass of the piston is 10 kg and calculate the gas pressure in cylinder B. So ang hinahanap dito ay ang pressure ng gas. So next is this our D. Ito yung mga given natin. First is yung pressure ng oil which is 300 PPA, yung pressure ng air which is 100 PPA, tsaka yung mass ng piston is 10 kg, tsaka yung diameter ng A which is 100 mm, and then diameter ng B which is 25 mm, tsaka yung atmosphere ng air is ito. So ang next natin gagawin ay i-convert ito sa Pascal para mag-cancel yung mga unit nila. So, itong PA, kailangan natin convert into PA. Which is equal to 300 times PA. And ito naman is 100 tsaka itong millimeter is kailangan natin ma-convert into meters. Times 100 meters millimeter, which is equal to 0.9 liter. Tsaka ito naman is 0.25. And then, next is, kunin natin yung mga forces that acts on the object, which is the summation of y forces along y-axis is equal to 0. Dahil lahat naman ng forces is acting on the y-axis, walang nangyayari dun sa x-axis. And then, kukunin natin yung mga forces. So, first is the force ng oil. Ito yung oil. So, sa oil, magiging negative siya dahil patungo sa baba yung force niya. So, this becomes negative F oil minus yung mass at yung gravity, which is the mg. And then, next is the force ng yung air, yung atmosphere with air, plus tsaka yung force ng gas equal to 0. So, iba ang hinahanap natin dito is yung pressure ng gas. So, para makuha natin yung pressure ng gas, ay kailangan natin to manipulate yung formula ng pressure, which is the pressure is equal to force over area. So, para makuha natin yung force, ay magiging force is equal to kailangan natin i-manipulate yung formula at magiging force is equal to pressure times area. So, dito, balik tayo dito. Para makuha natin yung pressure ng gas, kailangan natin itong transpose. Magiging F gas is equal to, magiging positive to F, yung force ng oil, plus, magiging positive yung mass at saka gravity plus, no, magiging negative yung force ng air. So, ang next natin gagawin ay itong force ay kailangan natin i-convert para maging ganito. So magiging pressure ng gas times the area ng gas, yung B, is equal to pressure ng oil times the area ng A, plus M9 mass times gravity minus pressure ng air tapos area ng yung A minus B. Dahil yung pressure, yung air is hindi siya tumatama dito sa gitna. Kaya naging A, ito yung A, tsaka yung B. And then, ang sunod naman dito, ay para makuha natin yung area ng mga nandito is, yung formula ng area is equal to pi r squared. Para makuha natin yung, malagay natin dito yung diameter is, yung formula ng diameter is E is equal to 2r. And then, manipulate natin ito, magiging R is equal to E over 2. So, i-substitute natin dito para makuha natin yung diameter. Area is equal to pi over times E over 2 squared. So, magiging area is equal to pi over 4 times the diameter squared. So, ayun, nakuha natin yung formula ng area at pwede na natin i-plug in yung mga given sa formula na to. Before natin i-plug in yung mga given dito, ay hinahanap naman natin dito yung pressure ng gas. So, pwede natin i-over to ng area ng yung D, yung gas. Para makala ito yung area ng gas. Kasi yan, ito makukuha yung area ng yung gas. And then, plug in na natin. Pressure ng gas is equal to 300 times 10 to the 3 PA. Multiply natin yung area ng A, which is ito, pi over 4 times yung diameter ng yung 0.1, yung A, 0.1 m squared plus yung mass, which is the 10 kilogram, tsaka yung gravity 9.8 meter per second squared. And then, sunod is yung minus yung pressure ng air, which is 100 times 10 to the 3 PA. And then, yung area niya is magiging area ng B, A minus B. So, magiging pi over 4. Pi over 4. Tapos yung diameter is 0.1 m minus 0.025 meters squared. Saka may over pa rin AD over yung area ng B, which is pi over 4 times yung diameter ng yung B, which is the 0.025 squared. Ayan. So, merong mga cancel dito na mga unit, which is yung itong PA, pwede mo yan gawing Newton over meter squared para makancel ito. Magiging ito, pwede natin palitan ng Newton over meter squared. lahat ng may nag-read dito. Newton per meter square. Then makapansin yung meters dito, tsaka dito. Meron dito, tsaka dito. Pagkatapos mo yan, pwede mo na yan ilagay sa scientific unit at makakalculate mo na yung answer, which is equal to B gas, or the pressure ng gas is equal to 34998426.8 at pwede natin yan convert into kilo/PA, which is 3499 PPA, or pwede rin maging MPA to, which is magiging 3.5 MPA. Pare-parehas lang yung answer. That's all for today's video, and thank you for watching. I hope you learned something.